Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Psycho 21-year-old refuses to let roommates in, police kick in her door.
On January 26, 2025, officers responded to a residence for a call of a woman refusing to let her roommate into their home.
Howdy, ho. Hey, don't run up like that.
Yeah, I was like, golly, dog.
Sorry. He's the one that was around back also.
It's the police department. Come to the door. Ma'am.
She's in the kitchen right there.
She's in the kitchen, just right there.
Hello?
I have trauma with cops.
I'm sorry.
Please take her with you.
Okay. Can you come to the door?
2 months.
No.
Why not? There's no one over there. I just want to talk to you.
Try it one more time.
I said, I just want to talk to you.
Could just kick the door down.
No, we're not going to kick any door down.
And I have to pay for that.
Ma'am, can you put that pan down, please?
That's also my.
1, 2,
I ain't
3.
never seen police officers so much patience. You're real good at your job, man.
3. I didn't put that up.
Ethan, just sit in the car, please.
If it was me.
Can you come to the door, please?
There's a bunch of gnats right there too, and it's disgusting.
Okay, if you open the door, I can come look at the gnats.
You can see it with the fuck that they wrote.
Can you come to the door, please?
No.
Oh, it's another cop. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's fucking wild, isn't it?
So she has the. You guys don't have a key to get in the house?
No, there's a code.
No, it's not a code. It's an app on the phone, but there's also a deadbolt. So as we were opening it, she pushed it back closed and deadbolted it.
10 and
So.
4. Okay, so it's a deadbolt from the inside?
Yeah.
I hear you.
She came at me.
What's her name?
This morning, and now I'm locked out.
What's her name?
Her name is Akana.
Akana?
Hey.
She's right. Yeah, you can try to, but she just went over that other corner. I'll go to the other side and see if I can get in.
Akana? Can I talk to you real quick? Can you open the door?
No.
Can we talk through the window? The police. Can I come inside and talk to you? Well, how are we gonna solve this? Because your roommates need to go inside.
For what?
They live here.
They don't clean.
That's not the problem. They live here. This is where they lay their heads at night.
They pay rent, but they don't clean.
So can we?
If you pay rent, you must clean, right? What else do they do?
Okay, Miss Martinez, is there a way we can solve this? Can I come inside and talk to you, or can another?
Can I clean really quick?
No, this is.
People keep trying me.
Who keeps trying you? Who keeps trying you? How long have you guys been dealing with her?
2 months. Well, she moved in December because our roommate subleased, and now we got.
So how did this come out where she kicked y'all out?
We went. Okay, so this morning she was having an episode thinking I stole her stuff, but really her boyfriend came yesterday and took the stuff that he bought her and left. So she came banging on my door. I opened it. She screamed in my face, came at me with a skateboard, called the police. Well, she called the police, and they already knew what was going on. I've never been to this episode. This has happened so many times. Like, not locked out, but me dealing with her like this so many times.
Yeah.
And they're just letting her stay.
There's like a 7th type.
So who all lives here?
This is the 7th time.
Who all lives here?
My roommate's currently got her boyfriend. She's on her way.
Does she have a key?
My roommate has a key.
Okay, so we'll wait for her and we'll come inside. We'll go inside.
We have a key. She deadbolted it, so
Like,
we can't.
there's a deadbolt on the inside.
Oh, okay.
Hello.
My guess would be that she's under the influence or something. That's the best guess I got, because, and you know, this is the problem with roommates, right? I never had a roommate, you know what I mean? But, well, no, I'm lying. In college, but I'm talking about like in in your adult life, you know? But yeah, like, I don't like if I'm going on vacation with somebody, you know, like the bros, we all want to go on vacation or whatever. We're not sharing rooms. We're not sharing none of that. None of that. I don't care if there's 2 bedrooms in there, whatever. I want my own spot and you get your own spot. We could be in the same building, right? The same Airbnb building or anything like that. But I need my own space. Roommates and stuff, yes, you can cut costs, right? Save a couple of dollars, stuff like that. But you're dealing with another personality, okay? You're dealing with other people. If you got a whole bunch of roommates, like think about this. For these people right here, right? You're already dealing with 3 different people. The one that's cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, that's inside. The one that's outside, that's trying to get in. And then you have another friend who's coming with a key. So that's already 3. I don't know how many other people live here. But not only are you dealing with those 3, right? It seems like it's a bunch of girls that live together or whatever. You're also dealing with their significant others, right? The girl that's inside has a boyfriend. There's a dude that's next to this girl outside, right? I would assume maybe their boyfriend and girlfriend or something. And then it's just too much. It's too much. You need your own space. You need your own space, man. Yeah, you can't do it. Dealing with roommates and all that stuff, no. You know, and I know people that's had roommates as adults. You know, living in the city is three of the bros. You know, like, and I'm like, damn, that's cool. But when do you ever get your own? Like, dang, I want to walk around my house naked. All right, damn. Can I walk around my house naked? I pay for rent. I pay whatever in here. You know, it's like one of those things. I know you know what I'm talking about. I know you know what I'm talking about. And it may not necessarily be that, but it's just you want your own space to do what you want. And that's it. Without having to cater to somebody else and all that different type of stuff. Like, come on, man. No.
Hey. Can you open the door?
No, I'm sorry. My officers, they're crazy. They knew how to open this door from the outside.
Can you open the door
Yeah.
for me? Why not?
Because that was wild. You need to go talk to him.
Yes, ma'am. I'm trying to talk to you so we can kind of figure everything out.
Okay, because I saw him literally open this sliding door. And I was like, how the fuck do you...
Oh, okay, I see. You want to open it for me so I can come talk to you?
And I was like, this door's open sometimes.
Maybe open the front door for the other officer if you can.
Oh, no, hold on. I'm still figuring this out.
Okay, that's fine.
And I was like, why am I getting a random bill?
It's a good question.
It's not for me.
Look, if I can come look at the bill.
Oh,
What's your name, ma'am?
my name is Athena.
Akana. If I can come inside, I can look at the bill and kind of help you figure everything out. But I can't do it from out here because I can't see.
Here, I can open the door and hand you the bill and you can look at it.
No, ma'am. I have to come talk to you.
No, I don't think so.
Why not?
Because it's coming. I'm fucking crazy.
Come here. Come here. Where are you going?
Can I come and talk to you?
Akana, were you in that room?
Here, go to the other side. What? Can you come here real quick? Can we just talk through the window?
Bitch, open my fucking door.
Do you have like mental health issues?
Do you have mental health issues? Text me. I know how cops are. Going on cop.
Whoa.
That was not nice.
You have mental health. They all think you're a celebrity.
Oh, I'm not a celebrity.
Is that window kind of loose?
My window?
Where's your window?
Oh, the one right there.
Do you know if it's loose at all?
No, the screen.
I
Yeah.
pulled the screen out, but the window is locked itself.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, she's going to jail.
Okay. Right there. Did you fix the car stuff?
That's my hood, dude.
Okay, whatever we need to do to get in, and she'll call power. That window is right by there, so.
Yeah. I tried that one.
Yeah. So, you put me on this call at really good times.
Why is no one calling the property manager? Right? It seems like that this is a apartment complex or whatever, townhouse, whatever you want to call it. But why somebody should have the phone number to the property manager, the building manager, whatever, and they would be able to either come over or maybe get somebody with a key, maintenance, somebody to come over and let them in.
She's gonna stab me, so.
Yeah, we had carving equipment in the for this company right here.
I haven't seen any guns, right?
No, just carving stuff.
I was thinking just fucking ran the door. I was thinking just ran the door at my
I
leg.
hate that they put those things on the door.
Yeah, the deadbolt.
Because if I had, pretty sure. Oh, there it is.
Hey, what's up?
I got it.
You're wearing my jacket?
Here, just hold it.
You have it. I'll have it on recording. On my phone. You guys don't know. Oh my god, you're hurting me. They're actually it's okay. They have their phones out.
Hey, you guys stand out with the. Don't do that while we're doing this.
Why they flash you guys? Others don't know. They don't know me.
Alright, well, she slipped on them all.
You can put her in my car.
You good?
I did. We're coming out here, all right?
Thank you.
Come on. Hey, chill out.
Get it! They're detaining me!
You're not detained, you're under arrest.
Can you put me on that car at least? Ouch, she's trying to with her gun. Can I get on that car at least? Please? Please, let's use the car. I'm sorry.
I got some tire leg.
Rib problem?
Yeah.
Oh my god,
I got some.
So. You got a rib problem? You got it. Here, grab. You can,
I got her. You're good.
where's your rib problem?
It's in my bag. I'll grab it.
You want to grab it? I'll get it. I got it.
You got anything on you?
no.
It's broke.
Go check it out.
Hey, face to face.
Excuse me? I told y'all that I got
Hannah, just shut up. We're past that point.
You're supposed to have been out of this apartment. What are you doing?
No, maybe because the people have been trying to me out.
Yeah, because you've been having some manic issues going on.
No, I haven't. See what I mean? Everyone thinks I'm crazy.
You're not you, but you're not
know.
letting us inside the
don't
house.
know.
It says otherwise.
Move out.
34. Yeah, that's what they just told us. You good? Here, I'll
Can I
grab
get my
it.
shoes, please?
We'll grab them. Just sit inside.
Wait, it's cool.
Sit inside.
It's on here.
Ow. Ow. Make sure you check that.
Unless it's
Hey, what about
I just,
Do you want me to put her seatbelt on so she doesn't?
yeah.
I got it. Yeah.
I'm being detained.
You're under arrest.
why? Oh, I'll definitely that then.
The woman was charged with obstructing officers and interference with the residents.
Yeah. Roommates, you're dealing with too many people, man. Dealing with too many people. It's not worth it. Yeah, you save a couple bucks, but it's not worth it in your adult life, man. Nope. She moved in later And she's the one that's locking out the roommates that been there before her. Come on, man. I'm good. I don't want no roommates. I'm good. Even if we go on vacation. No. Not sharing the same room. Not doing none of that. Nope. None of that. Anyway, have your own space, man. Your own peace of mind. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, yeah. Like I said, she's a little cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. And, at least the roommates could get some sleep for the night. But I'm sure she was back in the morning. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.